gosh. You're the worst. I'm gonna go get another chest while I'm here. Just
God damn.
I'm just gonna loot the place. We're gonna be on impossible difficulty by the time
How can I do it?
You guys just want to restart and let me join.
No, we're not restarting, alright? He has to overcome this.
I can't.
We're gonna be on ha 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 by the time this is all over.
As an addict.
How is this possible?
You hold the space bar down. Hold it down.
I am.
Hold it down before you go in there.
Oh my god.
Oh, finally. Let's get out of here now. Jesus. Holy crap.
Oh, I hope the miner's here.
Miner's not here.